Several real money gaming apps work in multiple countries, but none can honestly promise that using a VPN is always allowed, or that VPN traffic will never be blocked. The safest choice is to use games that officially support your country, instead of trying to bypass location checks. By the end of this video, you'll know 5 legitimate games that pay real money, where they're available, and how to avoid account problems caused by location restrictions. Starting at number 5, is eBingo Cash. This app lets players compete in skill-based bingo tournaments for cash prizes, where real money games are legally available. Before creating an account, check whether your state or country is supported. If the app isn't available in your region, don't use a VPN to access it because that can violate the platform's terms. Number 4 is Bubble Cash. The gameplay is simple, with players matching colored bubbles in timed competitions. Cash tournaments are only offered in eligible locations, while unsupported regions usually have free play mode instead. If you're looking for consistent payouts, always verify that your location is officially supported before depositing money. Number 3 is Blackout Bingo. This is another skill-based game that awards cash prizes in approved jurisdictions. The app performs location verification before allowing real money contests. That means using your real location is the safest way to keep your account in good standing. Number 2 is Solitaire Cashin. If you already enjoy classic solitaire, this version adds competitive tournaments with real money prizes in eligible areas. Availability depends on local laws, so 2 players in different countries may see different contest options, even with the same app installed. The number 1 pick is Mistplane. Unlike tournament games, Mistplay rewards Android users for discovering and playing mobile games. Instead of entering cash competitions, you earn points that can be redeemed for gift cards in supported countries. Since the service officially expands into new regions over time, it's better to wait for support than try to access it through a VPN. The biggest takeaway is simple. Legitimate money-making games follow local regulations, verify player locations, and may limit cash contests depending on where you live. Choosing apps that officially support your country is the safest way to earn rewards and avoid account restrictions. Your next step is to check each app's supported locations before downloading and only play real money modes if they're available where you live. If this video helped you find legitimate options, like the video and subscribe for more tested apps and games that actually pay.